Did you know that volcanoes have been around for many years? Most people find them fascinating. Some find them dangerous. However, today we will be breaking down the parts of a volcano, and we will also be telling you about how they function. A volcano is a mountain that opens downward to a pool of molten rock below the surface of the earth. The lava that pours out of a volcano is thin, so it can travel for great distances down shallow slopes of the volcano. Volcanoes are formed when magma goes to Earth's surface. When it reaches the surface, the volcano erupts. When it erupts, it forms lava flows and ash clouds. What are the parts of a volcano, you may ask? Well, let's start from the bottom. The magma reservoir is where the magma is. The sill is a bed of volcanic lava. The conduit is where material is built. A parasitic cone is a small cone-shaped volcano. The throat is an entrance to the volcano. Some volcanoes are Mount St. Helen, Mount Rainier, Mount Lea, Mount Kea, and Mount Pinatubo. Have you ever heard of the Ring of Fire? The Ring of Fire is where earthquakes and volcanic eruptions frequently occur at. The Ring of Fire has over 400 volcanoes. Did you know that the word volcano comes from the name of the Roman fire god Vulcan? Some of the most famous volcanic eruptions are Mount Krakatoa in 1883, Nova Rupta in 1912, Mount Helen in 1980, and Mount Pinatubo in 1991. While most volcanoes form near tectonic boundaries, they can also form in areas that contain abnormally hot rock inside the earth.